In times gone by, in the period of the teaching's immediate result, disciples with pure minds had no trouble in meeting great spiritual masters and siddhas who exhibited all the signs of authenticity as described in the sutras and the tantras. But in the present age of decadence, it is extremely difficult to come upon such masters. Nevertheless, it is essential to rely on spiritual friends whose minds are like excellent earth, well tilled both by the knowledge of the precepts of the 3 vows, as explained in the texts, and by faultless conduct, unstained by negative emotion. The earth of their minds should be moist with the knowledge of both the words and meanings of the sacred texts and their commentaries, themselves the source of their own freedom, and it should be saturated with great compassion and a loving concern for all that lives. It should yield, too, a harvest that is rich in a proficiency in the vast array of ceremonies and rituals of the Tripitaka and the 4 classes of Tantra, in a practice that is not merely verbal but penetrates to the essence, and in the overflowing stock of stainless wisdom resulting from the elimination of the twofold veil and the realization of all the qualities of liberation. It is thus that brilliant flowers will blossom. The 4 ways in which masters attract disciples who are fortunate in treading the path of liberation